nomenclature. We'll go over this too, but I think all the dentate name, ligand name, either polydentates or monodentates have been listed here. There are a few things before I start to write on this. One, when I have two EN, okay, there are EN2, what should I use for this two? Not di, bis, yes, okay. I have two chloral, because chloral is monodentate, I can use di. Okay, cool. Why? Because they can bind twice to the center metal. We'll call this polydentate, or this one is actually bidentate. Yes, okay. And both of those are mono. Okay. Another question, why they all end with O? Because both of these are anion, okay? Anion, so they all end with O. Okay, what's the coordination number for this one? It's 2, because it can bind twice. What did we say about coordination number in the class? How do the center metal manage other ligands? If the center metal for this one can manage 2 sides, will be 2. Mono will be 1, 1. With me? Okay. Now we're going to do this one, coordination number, because I have, this one is 2, 2, 1. So 1 times 2, add 2 times 2, that's 6. You are only responsible for 6, but I'm just writing the whole stuff. Okay, electron configuration of the metal, then we need to write this one out, Cr, Cl2, En2. My iodide is always going to be -1, so overall it's positive. Even I haven't, because later I want you to write the name of it. Because it's positive, I know when I write chromium, it will be in English name. Otherwise, chromate. Okay, why does this happen? Because overall, a complex ion is positive. Are we cool? All right. Okay. What else do we need? En has 0 charge. Chlorine is -1, means my chromium is +3. So I will have a +3 here. There are no space between M and 3. Good? Okay. Electron configuration of Cr3+. Okay, back to my deep. Okay. Okay, these 3. Oxidation states of the metal, +3. This one, today's class. Today. Class. You might be able to do the VSEPR because there are 6, right? Okay. The only possible that's in this case will be octahedral, which is already the demo I showed in Tuesday class, but you will have good understanding of this after today's class. But pretty much it's the 2B, the whole page I said, before today's class, get you ready for all the VSEPR, all the possible from 2B. Okay, you will need that. That's where we will tie this one really quick, but pretty much even I haven't formally gets into isomers, I'm expecting you have good understanding based on there are 6 of them, 6 of the ligand. Okay, name, yes, this is why we're here. We're so excited on those. Okay, that's the part I'm talking about. Mono will be di, poly will be bis. Yes? Okay, how many poly you're responsible for? There are only 4. Yeah. En is one of them. There are only another 3. I show them in my class on Tuesday. Yes. All right. So so I'll change the color. This is why I want to do this. How should I? Okay. Chloro will start with C. En will start with E. So my C go in front of the E. I will have di chloro. Okay, bis. And let me shift this. Yes. Looks so ugly here. That's better. Okay. Okay, I need a bracket for En. There should be no space between your chromium and this. Am I done? No. There are also your counter ion. That's why we separate this. Okay, I minus counter ion, it just banishes the charge, but it's still part of the name. So there should be a space. Okay, space. I all die the yes.